Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making teriyaki chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 pineapple, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of water, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, and cooked rice. Using a sharp knife, slice your pineapple in half. Now score your pineapple. Remove the flesh and set it aside. Add your cornstarch to your water and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, add your soy sauce, pineapple juice, and sesame oil. Now add the garlic and ginger. Add the brown sugar and whisk until well combined. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add the canola oil. Now cook your chicken for 10 minutes. Now add the pepper and salt. Add the sauce and bring to a light simmer. Pour in the cornstarch slurry and mix until your sauce has thickened. If you like this video, please subscribe. It's free to you and it will greatly help me grow my channel. Add the rice to the pineapple bowl, then top with your chicken. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.